Hey, I'm Gene Goldman, and today is Monday, August 15th, and here's a look at the week ahead. Well, it seems to be happening. All signs suggest that inflation has peaked and it's starting to roll over. Last week, we saw CPI, PPI, import prices, export prices, all came in below expectations. Because the Fed, because of its dual mandate, is to achieve stable prices, in other words, low inflation, this year, weighing on the markets is the Fed raising rates to slow this inflation. So this leads us to this week, what we're watching the most. We are watching the Fed meeting minutes for the July FOMC meeting, which do come out on Wednesday. Expect to see three things. First of all, we want to see how much consensus that there was for big rate hikes that are going to be needed to get us past the neutral policy rate. And this led, in our opinion, to the 0.75% rate hike in the meeting. Number two, expect to show that the Fed is willing to accept a labor market softening to reduce inflation. And number three, any comments around will rate hikes above neutral be in smaller amounts, which we expect as Cetera Investment Management. These minutes are going to be so important because they provide additional data points to what the Fed will likely do at its next meeting on September 21st. Right now, the current debate is that will the Fed raise rates by 0.5% or 0.75%? We are in such a pivotal point for the Fed and market direction. And how do you navigate all this uncertainty? Well, check out the Fed Monitor. You can find it on Cetera.com. We take all this data, all this economic and inflation data, we crunch it, and we provide you what the Fed should be doing to relative to what they're actually doing. As a bonus this week, two other data points, we're going to watch the Empire State Manufacturing and the Philly Fed Manufacturing. Unfortunately, both of these reports are going to provide a little weakness because consumers, us, we are rebalancing our purchases away from goods towards services, which will affect manufacturing. These are very small reports, but they're very important because they're the first look at the August economy. Thank you for listening. For more information, please follow us on Twitter at CeteraIM, and see you next week. Thank you.